What's going on, YouTube? This is Bro on the 6, and guess what came in the mail? Got the M4 Shorty Performance Exhaust. We'll be putting that on the motorcycle, so stay tuned. So yeah, man, we so excited to put this piece on. So clearly, when you put on the aftermarket pipe, there's not too much to it. There's this bolt right here that holds the old exhaust that I will need to take out. This thing right here. I think it's literally like 3 bolts or whatnot. So there's that one. There's also the this one over here that takes out the heat shield cover. And then there is another bolt that is tucked in right. Let's see if I can get a good shot of it. Right down there. You see that bolt right there? Well, this is the clamp that you need to loosen in order to take out the exhaust. So I will be showing you the install on this, and yeah, stay tuned. Before I do so, I'll just give you some sound so you can hear what it sounds like right now. So there you have it. I'm gonna open this box up. Again, I have a 2022 GSX-R 600. This is my first bike. I'm not gonna talk about whether you should start on a 600 or not. Different conversation. But let's get back to this pipe. When I look on Amazon, there's a whole bunch of knockoffs for these pipes, and like literally for a quarter of the price. I really don't know what the difference are, and I'm sure obviously the material and stuff is probably different. But again, I'm not gonna knock it. I don't know. People may have purchased the Amazon one. It probably does the same thing. I don't know, right? But I ordered this one from a store or whatnot. So this appears to be the factory box or manufacturer's box that M4 Exhaust provides you when you purchase one of their products. So hopefully I didn't get a knockoff and paid all this money for the exhaust. But yeah, just gonna show you guys how everything is packaged, which seems to be similar to the other thousands of videos you see on YouTube where people get this exhaust. So hey, I'm just gonna do my thing and make sure everything's there, everything's nice. So pretty well packaged, right? Got all the paper, the paper stuff in there, and then it's bubbled wrap. Actually, very well. It's bubbled right very well. The one thing I noticed is way back, well, I feel that like this exhaust probably been out for a good 5-10 years now, and it looks like before it used to have like the M4 exhaust emblem in a sort of like finished silver material or whatnot. I don't think they do that anymore. It's possibly that they've changed it over the year or whatnot. There's the wifey telling me that I'm completely out of the focus zone. So just trying to take this bubble wrap out. Took forever. It's very well wrapped actually, so I can't complain about that. But there it is. Wow, this funny how this little piece right here, I mean not so little, but it's little compared to the average exhaust, is gonna do such a huge difference on the sound. Now, I've been watching tons of you guys on YouTube, and you guys talk about removing this. Oh, sorry for my dirty fingernail there. But you guys talk about removing the baffles. So there is the tool you have to get. So I'm gonna try with these pliers. It clearly will not work. But there's a tool you have to get, and what I don't like about it is the tool, at least where I'm living, it's a $50 tool, and it's not what I'm using now. I'll put maybe like a screenshot at the top of the screen of what the tool looks like, but it's $50. So I've already paid like so much money for this exhaust. For me to buy this other tool, it's like a C-clip, or what is they call C-snap pliers, C-clip pliers or whatever. But now I have to spend another $50 just to take out the baffle. It's a one-time job, right? So I will try to find something else to do this with, so I can let you know, hey, you don't have to spend another $50 on a tool. But if I don't get it, then I will have to spend the money on it. And to be honest with you guys, I did have to spend the money on it. So let's get started on this. Again, if you remove this ring, the thing will come off and the baffles will come out, and the sound is completely different. So here I am in the garage. Honestly, this is probably something that will take most of you 10-15 minutes, maybe even 5-10 minutes. I am not a I guess mechanical savvy type guy. I take my time with stuff, you know what I mean. So I did speed the video up so you can just kind of see me go through the loops of getting this thing off and getting it on. Obviously, this is I guess depending on the bike itself, how old your bike is or whatnot, you may have some issues taking out some of the screws or whatnot. I did run into some issues, very minor, and I'm not gonna just bore you with them. Again, I'm not the most mechanical inclined person, but you get the drift, right? It was technically they take out 3 bolts, take the old exhaust pipe on, put this new one on, which you see me struggling with because the bracket keeps opening up. But I'll get that fixed, and I will put the exhaust in. And if you take if while I'm doing this you're looking inside the exhaust, I did remove the baffle prior to coming out in the garage to get this done. So when you hear the sounds later in the video, this will be the loudest the exhaust will be if I don't, which means like without the baffles. I'll be honest with you guys, I went for a couple rides without the baffles, and the thing sounds amazing, but it's ridiculously loud. But I like it, so hear it out. there you have it. I'll do a video with a sort of like update on how I feel with and without the baffle. I've been playing around and putting the baffles in and taking them out, so stay tuned. More videos coming up. Thank you everyone for watching. Subscribe, like, dislike. It's all good. Peace.